The staircase, baby. Filmed in vertical. Well, usually I've got my overheat light on by the time I get here, because we have worked it, girlfriend, to get this high. Well, it's 8 o'clock this morning, so it's still a little bit cool. And there's the staircase. So I'm going to start on the staircase and give it a quick trim, because some of it is getting a little bit unmanageable, and that's not the best place to grow, Mr. Bulb. So we'll carefully lift you out before we begin. Well, I've been up the top of the staircase, done a bit of fiddling, but it is kind of solid stone. And as such, it does not respond easily to manual modification. However, I filled in a really nasty dip at the top. 5-minute rest and on we go. Later.